All right, today we're going to bring an antenna, and this antenna has a magnet, so it's perfect for even RVs and cars if you're taking your TV anywhere. Now, this antenna is going to automatically program, but you got to set up your TV first. So let's put it together. All you got to do is connect the antenna to your antenna fixture. So we're going to do that. I'm going to put you guys down and connect it, and then we're going to program it. Because I do have a metal piece. Look at this. It just goes in there. It could be even sideways if I want. See that? But I'm gonna leave it there to get good antenna. So let's go ahead and program it. This is very important. So when you get the antenna, you want to program it. You want to say air, all right? That's how the air is gonna start working. Start's gonna program whatever it could catch on the actual antenna, all right? So channel scan complete, 300 channels, hit close. And now we're able to go to the actual channel. So let's go ahead and check out the channels. And here we are. So here we are on the channels. Look how quality of it looks. And I'm going to change it so you guys can see. It tells you in the corner the channels that you have. So we have 300 channels. And the antenna tells you how well it works. Look at that. Some channels have better quality. Like this one's a 4K. Look at that. You can see through really good. And you could go through a lot, 300. I'm not going to go through every single channel, but 300 channels with the antenna. Really good. So if you guys are looking for some antenna just like that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.